please tell me about freelancing job. Is it haram or halal? The question posed is freelancing job haram or halal? Freelancing means you are doing a job on your own. You are not a permanent job. There's something a permanent job, you go to an office from 9 to 5 or from 10 to 6 and every day you go, it's a fixed job, long-term job. Freelancing job means a job which someone may hire you for a limited time. May hire you for maybe 1 month, may hire you for 2 weeks, maybe hire for few hours or few days. So freelancing job means you hire a person not on a permanent method, not on a permanent basis, but on a temporary basis. It may be for few months, it may be for few weeks, it may be for few days, it may be for few hours. So that is called as a freelancing job. He is not a full-time employee of yours. He is doing on a freelancing basis, or it may be few days in a month, maybe 1 day in a month, 1 day in a week. It is called as freelancing. So freelancing per se is not haram, but the job you are doing should be halal, should be as per the rules of the Islamic Sharia. If you are doing a freelancing halal job, then that freelancing halal job becomes halal. But if you are doing a freelancing haram job, then it becomes haram. For example, if you are doing freelancing of selling alcohol, it's haram. You are doing freelancing of selling pork, okay, when you want pork you can call me, whenever you call me, once in a while, once in a week, I'll supply you pork, it's haram. When you call, I'll supply you alcohol, it's haram. But you may say, okay, fine, freelancing job, if you want to do your bookkeeping, your accounts, I'll come and do it, freelancing basis, once a week, twice a week, no problem. As long as the accounts, the business is halal. Or if you're sick, you may call a doctor, doctor comes and gives the treatment, it's halal. So if the job is halal, is not breaking any rules of the Islamic Sharia, and it's a permitted job, then that freelancing job is halal. If it's a haram job, it's haram. The freelancing per se is not haram. As long as the job that you're doing should be halal, should not be haram job, should not involve any haram activity, should not involve interest, riba, should not involve haram things like alcohol or pork, etc. If it doesn't involve the haram elements, freelancing per se is allowed in Islam. Hope that answers the question.